Hey guys, it's me, Tina, also known as Creamy Lovely, and today I have a makeup tour for you guys. Since Valentine's Day is tomorrow, I'm sorry I'm so late. Ha! Psych! Today is not a makeup tutorial, guys, but comment down below if you guys really want to see this look. Kind of did like a kind of a pink glittery cut crease, not exactly a cut crease, but you know what I mean, kind of just cut right there. But if you guys want to see this look, comment down below. Sorry if it's going to be late because yeah, I'm late for everything. But today, I'm actually going to be doing a Squishy Dares video. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I have 5 squishies I'm going to be doing too, and terrorizing, and just not good stuff. So, let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab this squishy. This is the a smusher from Michael's. I got it for about, I think, $2 to $3. And the first thing I'm going to do to this one is I'm going to be sitting on it through the whole video. It's very hard to sit on because it's very, very small. But yeah, let's get on with the other dare. Squishy. Another squishy I'm going to be doing this to is a panda bun. Not that squishy, so I'm kind of fine with this. It's already defected, so we're just gonna cut it up, even though it's part of my collection. I got this squishy when I was in Canada. It was one of my very first squishies, so it's kind of has some sentimental things to it. Attachments. But whatever, let's go. Oh my god, do you guys hear that? Come on. Are those bugs? Wait, no. Oh my god, it's so much squishier on the inside, Wanda. And it's sticky too. Oh, it's so much more squishier on the inside. Oh my god, I need to keep this. I need to make her. But yeah, R.I.P. Panda Bun. Medium-sized panda bun. From Canada. Okay, on to the next squishy. The next squishy I'm going to be using is this. I also got this in Canada. This is an onsen bun. Onsen burger bun. It's one of my favorite squishies ever. But you know what? It's pretty defected. Yeah. You want to see the close-up? Look at that nice defects. Okay, but anyways, what I'm going to be doing to this onsen bun, is I'm going to be covering it in slime. And this is Wanda's slime. Cotton Panty Slime. Go subscribe to her. Anyways, this is her slime that I'm going to be using to cover this squishy up. I don't know how I'm going to do this, though, because I don't really play with slime. So I'm kind of scared. Can I even open this? Oh.
You sick.
Do I just cover it over?
Do you need help?
It's just like, I don't know. I've never... Or can I just dunk it in? Oh. Oh. Oh my god! Guys. Oh. Very, very squishy. Wanda? about how I feel about the slime.
It's the stickiest slime I have, so.
Why?
Because it's
Oh.
supposed to be sticky.
Mm.
Then it can stick to your squishy.
Why did you put beads in here?
Because I play with it.
Oh.
I didn't put it on.
So yeah, this is what the squishy looks like. This is what it looks like after. Oh. But yeah, with all the slime all over it, it looks pretty cool. It looks like a garbage burger. This is one of my first ever squishies. But it's okay. That's okay. I can get more onsen buns. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But yeah. I really don't like how sticky this is. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna... Yeah. Oh.
You have to wash your hand.
Yes, please. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is rip a squishy. And the squishy I'm picking, I'm very, very sad about, is this Squishy Fun Cake. If you guys watched my last video, this is actually one of my top 10 favorite squishies ever out of all time. But as you can see, I told you it's like one of my most defected squishies ever. So, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. I can buy this off of Banggood or something. It's fine. But I also got the squishy in Canada. I got ripped off for $15. But, you know what? That is okay. Let's just do this. Okay. Let's close up. Is it closed up? I ripped it right through the middle. Ooh, very, very squishy and sticky. Ooh, very, very sticky and squishy. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to feel about this. I can always go back together. I just... You know what? That's okay. It's totally fine. It's still squishable. It's just ripped in half. But it's okay. It's okay. Okay, going on to the next squishy. So the last squishy, I'm going to be doing something. I'm also going to be ripping it, but ripping like piece by piece, not rip in half like I did to my Squishy Fun Cake. I had this little mini bun right here I got for free as an extra. So I already made cuts and slits through it. So that's why it's going to be easy for me to rip it piece by piece. So let's just go ahead. I'm taking this part. I got that part off. I don't want this close to me. I got this part. Ooh, and this part. Ooh, how satisfying. I got this. And then I got this slit. Make one last more if I can. Because this is a very dense squishy. It has like a very, very small bounce back. Okay, so I've already gotten it in pieces, as you can see. I got it for free, so I don't really care that much about it, but bye! Been sitting on for a while now for the whole video. Let's take it out. It's still rising, like it's just rising back up. So we have this. This is the aftermath. This is the aftermath. Look. This is already normal still. Should I just cut this one? Whatever. Well, it's just a smusher, right? Okay. I'll cut this in half. Good for Valentine's Day, right? Since it's tomorrow. Oh. Oh my god, why are these so squishy on the inside? Please, someone tell me. Ooh, I can make reusable squishies out of these though. Like, I can make my own homemade squishies, which I like. There's an ant on me. But yeah, anyways, this is the aftermath of all my squishies.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this a thumbs up if you really like this video. Comment down below on what I should do next, and especially if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial on this look. And subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you want to see something next from me. I'll see you guys later. Bye!